As you can hear, we've got a ton of cicadas. I'm going up here because I think this is where they're kind of centered in our neck of the neighborhood. Just going to see if I can see how many of them are up here. Boy, you can hear them, can't you? This is only going to get louder, this noise, throughout the summer. I just got done a walk and I had a couple of them fly right into my head. One hit me in the side, one hit me in the forehead. Yeah, they're all flying in here. This isn't even the loudest. I passed a tree on my walk that was like twice as loud as this. We'll go down a little more here. Seems to be a little louder down here. There was one sitting on a plant there. Well, it's a shell of one anyway. Alright. Sort of see them flying in the distance too. Geez, one just went right by me. Sound is pretty deafening. Ooh. All right. Like I said, this noise will last probably throughout the summer. I remember in 2004, that's kind of how it was. So is it louder over here? No, not the same. All right. You hear them, but you don't see too many of them. Every now and again, they'll fly past you. My son was coming home from work yesterday and ended up with one on his shoulder, and he kind of freaked out about it. See what happens if I shake these branches as I go by. Yeah, I don't know if they rest on evergreens or not. All right. I will close this out now.